Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Vinith Manas. So friends, we'll just continue that series Vue.js using Laravel as backend. So in today's video, we'll continue with the product section, product adding product, updating the product, deleting that product, product adding attributes with product category of a product, and many more things. So hope you like this video. Please do hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. And the source code you will get from the source code tab. Just click on it and scroll down uh, the series that you are watching, or the series that or the source code that you have to download. Just go to that, the download source code with GitHub in English e-commerce website using Laravel and Vue.js, right? So there are some steps you have to just proceed to pay like this. Then you will get that invitation link in your on your GitHub ID, on your email, which is linked to your GitHub email. So make sure that the GitHub username that you are providing should be correct. The email which is linked to this GitHub username, the invitation link has been sent, right? So we'll just start doing with the product section. So firstly, I will create that sidebar. So this one, this. Okay. So one thing more, there is. Let's start this. Close all the tabs. So now we have to make the sidebar, including that product. Just go to the resources, views, and components. After that, admin sidebar. We should make after categories. Just put it down, category. Admin slash product. Then firstly we'll create the admin product. Copy this, go to the routes and admin.php. So here we'll create that product section. Product. Now we also have to create a controller. This terminal, new terminal. It is after admin. So I just write php artisan make controller and admin slash name of the controller, admin slash product controller. Hit enter. Okay, now we have the controller, http controllers admin and product controller, right? So simply write this product controller. On the second line I will just yes, we have to update product as well. So update product, index and store, product controller and also make sure that it also imports that name of the controller as well. Now after that, just go to the controller. So this is our controller. I will open one of the controller to see what just copy few things like traits, first one, and from this to this, control 2. But make sure that we should change all the things, but step by step, right? Also product with parent category product. Firstly, we have to show the products. So I will write it like this: product and get. It should be inside product, right? Rest of things will change accordingly. So one more thing I will do, instead of this category, I will replace all the things with product, so that it does not show any kind of error in the controller while we are fetching the data. So we just get this product, and now just simply show the data. Admin. Okay, we have to now create the view files as well. So for creating the view files, we have that yes, command create view file, admin data table. So as PHP artisan make admin data table product slash product. Right. It will create the files inside product slash product. So here is a file. Just simply name of the product. After that, color or size of the product, or we can like add any image over here. Name of the product, image of the product, and name image, or we can write slug as well, right? So I will remove these things and action. Right, for each dollar data as dollar is 123 123, and remove this. So in any of the section like category, we already set up this data. So we have image, yes, we have image. From this to this, uh, but in the product section we will not update all the things on a single page, because in the product section actually we have many complex things like product attributes, product attr, product images. So basically what we'll do, we'll actually update the product by reloading it. In the previous sections we actually don't reloading the pages, we actually doing the CRUD operations or update the things on the same page. But in this product section we'll update the product in the another page, on the another page basically. So we have name and we have slug. So we don't have any parent category over here. List of image, right? And after that, on the update button, we'll provide the link over here. So basically, firstly we don't need any on-click function over here, and also remove the pop-up model. Delete list of ID and products. So now a h slash update underscore product slash um, after that list ID of the product. Basically we have to write uh, it should be get route, so I will write it get update product. After that uh, there should be ID. So just refresh the page and check that is everything looks fine. I think no, maybe. mm, okay. Product up. My mistake. Product. Product controller, and also uh, do change also on the admin sidebar. mm, on this product. Hit refresh. Product. Product. Okay. Now we have now we have a syntax error. Okay. Okay. Admin product. Update product image list of ID. Okay. I will do the change. So let me see where is the error. Admin slash product. Okay, okay, actually we don't have to write like this. Mm, it should be like this. URL admin slash update underscore product, and after that this of ID of the product. Save it and refresh. Okay, so just for the now, I will add some dummy data in the product section. Products. Okay, let's add some of the dummy data so that it will show the data whatever we are adding. It should be according to the code, right? So step by step, name should be test. I will also write slug as test. Image, make it null. Item code, for now test. Keywords test. So basically this is the difference. Item code is varchar, that is 255 characters, right? But keywords we have set up the long text, so it will give more space to the keywords, right? So in the description also write the test. Select any kind of category. I will select the first one. Brand ID, the first one. Text ID also first one. Okay, just click on go, and now refresh the page, right? So we have that name. Okay, name slug, but the format is not correct, so I will write ID over here. Fresh, and still we don't have image, that's why it shows that empty part, right? Now we have to create that update product section. So for the update product section, like we have to maintain a form in the regular way. So for that I'm having the form from this admin part, like this HTML pages. These HTML pages I actually recognize a registration form basically. So I will show you that form. mm, er, I will pick up any one page. Not this one. Application authenticated. Okay, chart here. So inside the forms, I will just go to the form layout. Yes, this one. User registration form. Basically, we will work with this form. So name, slug, image, description, category ID, description, keywords. So I will work with this form. So basically name of this form is form layout.html. Form layout, this is ABCDE form layout, this one, I think this one. Yes, this one. So at the end of this user registration, so in every video we actually given the link of this uh, admin pages, admin HTML pages, so you can download that form also. So in the you will set up the user registration form in the form of product update or product. Every time we actually creating the product or updating the product, we'll see this registration form, right? So in the next video we'll create this product section, update the product and creating the new product, right? One more thing actually I have to do, also showing a button over here, create product. Let's go into the code. I think we should have a button, but here I'm not seeing any kind of button. So I will write over here and a paste it over here. Href is equal to URL admin slash update underscore product. But at this time I'm not sending any kind of ID over here. Also create new product, or we can send only 0, because 0 is that ID which is not exist in our database. So just check this. Okay, now create new product. In the create new product section we'll creating that new with the empty form. In the update section we'll pre-fill the values of the product, right? So we'll continue with this user registration form. So in the next video we'll do with the product, creating a new product and updating the existing product. So the code of the source code will be, you will get in the GitHub. So I have to just git pull. So as I'm making the commit over here, git commit product, product one, or I will write what should I write? Simply write product section, commit and git push. In the next video we'll continue with the updating and creating the product section, right? You will get the update on the GitHub. Hope you like this video. Please do hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.